Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this Vivid Cookware 22-piece ceramic pots and pans set. This is a non-stick set and it has detachable handles, so I'm super excited about that because it's going to be space saving in my cabinets. And you do get some large utensils as well, plus a cleaning cloth, a sponge, as well as these awesome protection dividers. I absolutely love the finish of these. It has this speckled kind of granite look to it, and I just love the cream color. I think that it is timeless and it's going to perfectly fit my kitchen and my other pots and pans. This is safe for all different types of stovetops, even induction. Nice medium-sized skillet. You get this medium-sized wok, and you've got this really large skillet. So both of the pots come with handy little lids, and they feel airtight, so they kind of suction down whenever you push them in. That is going to be awesome for storing leftovers. But they also provide a silicone glass lid. That is adorable. Now the skillet lid arrives with the little knob detached, so you just have to pop that on. Got a nice glass lid so you can see your food while it cooks, but it has this silicone edge that's nice and wide, so it's going to fit the different size pans that you have. And there's a space here for the handle. You have the two handles here that are super easy with these little silicone grooves here. They really grip the pots and pans without damaging it. And you don't have to worry about the little control knob coming loose because there's a safety backup where you have to press the button as well to release it. And you even get this nice little collapsible colander. So truly, this set is amazing. If you guys decide to try it, I hope you love it as much as I do.